Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayi-WTV onivuselayo uProfessor CM Likhuleni ngithi bafowethu asihlangana ngaphezulu njengamagayi ihlahla sahlanganisa idlozi kanenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ningibona nje ngihamba nendoda entshobe emhlophe umalume kabani bani nobani bani nobani bani indoda ezithobile nokunikeza umuntu ithuba azikhaze bese yamgahla hey ziyabuya la akunankinga sawubona
BraKB. Thanks Prof.
Yeah.
Okay, ngizothinta emsileni kancane la.
Yeah.
All right. So okay, mina ngithi ngakhuluma ukuthi I'm going to get into trouble from other people. But ngizoyeka. Mina ngiwala ekhaya. Let me just put it that way. So Ithwalo zasekhaya ngiyazazi most of them. But then people when they call they ask me, no. Prof uphethe, especially top those level 1 guys up there. What is the strongest thing Prof I paid? I want something very strong. Hey, and I always tell people, hey, but for me it's difficult to rank Ithwalo. But no, I just want the top 5. You know, like, hey, I always used to avoid that question. But now, we've got, like, for example, a new edition, 2023 in Yoga, which is like the highest lapo. That one is undisputed. Included because that one is automatic. It's the highest and what. I'm funu KULUMA ngale, but ngaphansi kwayo lentole. If someone was to ask, Prof, how would you rate Ithwalo zakho according to power? Ukuthi from number 5 up to number 1. List because people need to also get an idea why uHlophe is basic starter pack and why fisherman ala, but then amapondo are like so just for you if you were to rank them. I know I can't deal everything, but just to the probability ranking Ithwalo zakho 5 to number 1.
BraKB ngaqala ngogogo Hlophe noHlophe. It is number 1. Lezo zi2 ngizothi i1 ngiyaze garanta lapho number 5 lo entweni zami and then ngibuye futhi ngigarante futhi umnyamani webusiness kunomnyamana ngisho lo ya kunomnyamana webusiness ngibuye ngigarante umnyamani boyithu ngizothi bomnyamani
okay
and then ngibuye ngizothi number 4 lo ngiyogaranta umama othwele inkuni ngithi is the best number 3 leyo bese ngibuya ephondweni lela ka8 ngithi hayi bafowethu loyo unumber 2 ngibuye futhi ngithi ngifuna ukuphakama mina ngimnikeze iphondo leli la ka18 lapho nginumber 1 kusigcinini uyabona uma ungathi ufuna ukulinga amandla ami kuthi akuphi nakuphi thatha iphondo lela ka18 uzobona amandla ami uma ufuna ukungilinga ukuthi ngiyakwazi ngempela ukuphakamisa ibusiness yomuntu from 0 to up kwani thatha ugogo Hlophe uHlophe uzobona ngempela ukuthi ngempela le ndoda iphiwe.
Okay, no, gogo Hlophe is obvious. I don't think we should even be arguing, but mina I'm gonna disagree. I'm sorry babukile, I know
I'm telling you.
No, I'm gonna disagree. And then I'm gonna state I'm a statistics. Mina ngisebenza ngabantu, mina ngisebenza ngama phone calls abantu bangitshela ukuthi ngithatheni lento le yahlanya, lento le faka imali kanjani. The past, I want to talk about the past since December. No, I'm lying. Yeah, since December. There's one thing I've been picking up la. And for some strange reason, uProf akakhulumi ngayo le ndoda le, but to fishermen. Prof. Feedback from fishermen has been for me, like in terms of our calls, yes now. And another thing, I've never even had a situation where umuntu had to wait for like 2 months or even 2-3 weeks. Ukatlela out of the gate.
Yeah.
Why fishermen ungamniki ama flowers akhe ungamniki ijuya?
Okay, ngithi kanje BraKB. Ake ngithi mangi rate ngiqale ngendoda enayo le ndoda ikazi yangiphoqa indoda yasesikepeni.
Yes, that's how I know
Indoda
that.
yasesikepeni ayisho inkinga usukwangipha 5 and nami lezi ezinye ngiyazithanda.
No, but you can't compare. Sorry, but that's inkumo ngathi nginyanga manje. But umamba and fisherman ayikho lento leyo. Like bathu bani abo yellow bone abangeni. For me,
no,
in terms of feedback ngithola.
Yes, Prakepi. Uyabona ifisherman ngiyamgaranta umuntu. Kahle kahle mangibalale la phondo lela. Ngikahle ngifuna ukufaka no fisherman.
Thank you.
Uyangiunderstand. So that's why ezinye izinto bengizambisa. Yeah. Ngisuka nethi ngashelelela ilimi lokuthi ngathi nendoda ehlele esikepeni, indoda ehugayo. Vele ayihugi mama. I miss le. Go! Ibuye nayo. Ayiphathi umnyulo ofile le Prakepi. Ngiyaxolisa babukeli. Hey, angisho manje
and the people polisa to the people that took fisherman.
No, ngikolisa kakhulu bafowethu manishaya isandla phezulu sinye. Ufisherman bafowethu angaze ngeze umuntu akhala athethe ufisherman.
Never.
Angaze ngeze umuntu athi prof ngithethe into ngibambezele. Bafowethu buyani man. Sorry buyani bafowethu, sorry bafowethu. Ngishaya isandla phezulu sinye. Indoda ehlala esikepeni ayiphoqani.
Never.
Ayiphoqani. Ngempela ayiphoqani. Indoda ethi usuku nemini iyakuphandela, busuku nemini iyaphanda. Futhi ayozeli njengami ngilongihamba ngidoba amafishi mangiloko ngikhuluma noBrakepi. Le ayidoba life day and night.
Ngiyabonga prof. Awubona for that I ngiyabonga. But
nginika number 1 fisherman.
Kahle in terms of success.
Yeah,
Mhlambe I think another thing with fishermen that I also I like the fact that as much as there may be one or two things, but his speed is khahlela ngaso. Like the fact that but like let me just talk about the last case we had or I had, because this person came via me. The fact that he was able to grab into his knee into one. This guy had 3-4 issues, was shy. So his success rate is high, plus speed is high. So I don't understand why Abu Yellow Bone, Abu Banbani, and then Ezni. That's me. But I'm sitting there and I'm observing that and lastly, apart from Indawayama complaints as well, I think, and Sazobona obviously as the months go by, especially in the last past 3 months. Another thing with this thing is no one has complained about issue of protection after taking Lentole. So for me, I don't know. I'm just naming pala too many notes now. Notes, statistics. But I've had less issues with fishermen in terms of that speed and money. You can hear someone saying, "Hey, this thing. It took me 3 weeks for this thing in 1 week. But for 4 days, KB, this thing is working. Ganja. So that's why can we just give ama awards to the people that deserve that? And personally, I will never.
Yeah.
That's that one.
No, Prakepi, truly speaking, does not break. Yeah, does not break in friendship or sponsorship. Eba 14 ngiyaxolisa kakhulu bantu abathethe fisherman. Fisherman iyasebenza kakhulu ngiyaxolisa shasandla phezulu kwesinye. So hey man, fisherman is the best of the best.
Yeah, angithanda ipoko. But listen, and I know good people say, hey, when I tell meeting, guys, I'm from here, so unfortunately I can confess. All right, tell us Ithwalo, Prof. Okay, so that's your top 5.
Yeah, my
and
top 5.
Fisherman is just under Ipondole 1 feet. Yeah, all right. Yes. That's fine. So please, when you have questions again, but when I return, watch this interview and get a sense of like naye umnikazi wazo lezinto uzirate kanjani. Siyabonga Prof.